Hi, my name is Rachel Waltner Goossen. I am a professor of history at Washburn University in Topeka, Kansas, and I graduated from Bethel College in 1982. I was a history major, which was a wonderful major. I got a really wonderful academic grounding here at Bethel. I did a pretty involved history capstone research project my senior year. I actually managed to get my research published in the journal Mennonite Life, which was also edited and published here soon after I graduated from college. So it's pretty unusual for a 21-year-old to have a scholarly article in a journal, but Bethel made that happen for me, and so I knew I loved that kind of work. My experiences here on this campus and having small classes, a lot of attention from professors, a ton of encouragement. My mentors were male professors. There weren't any women in the history department or in the discipline that I was planning to go into, but I did get just really tremendous encouragement to use my gifts, and I've been really appreciative of that ever since. It's been pretty easy for me over the past to get back onto campus. I've been here many times, been associated also with the Kaufman Museum, working on some of their projects occasionally with staff there. It's just been really nice to keep the Bethel ties strong, and a lot of what I've done in my career I really credit with the encouragement that I came here. When I came here as a student, I didn't know what I was going to major in, and I didn't know what my profession would be. So those were things that got kind of worked out here with the encouragement that I had from professors and my fellow students.